everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of Python programming, here I am with a new program. I hope you are a subscriber of Fame World Educational Hub, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and also press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell you will start getting the latest uploads notification. Otherwise, if you are not pressing this bell, so in that condition you won't be able to get the uploads notification frequently. So this series is going to be very long, but there will be multiple content covered. The complete free course I am providing you on this channel, so stay tuned and also subscribe the channel. So this Python programming series is really going to be very helpful for you if you are learning Python. So now, as I have promised you in the previous lecture of polymorphism, I just discussed different concepts. I hope you have watched that video. So in that polymorphism video, we were working on the method overloading, but yes, there was not the exact implementation of method overloading. So I just told you that we can apply it with some alternative approach. So now, as per the request and as per my promise, I am here with you to tell some alternative approach for that program of method overloading. So today I am here for method overloading alternative approach. So it can be anything. It's not necessary that what I am doing right now you can implement it in such way only. Just to fulfill that scenario, I am making this program, but it's not necessary that every time you are going to do this only, because it is an alternative approach and method overloading is not directly possible. So if you have not watched the previous video in which I have discussed about method overloading, so please watch that because it is in a continuation. Okay, so that thing you will be getting in the polymorphism video, so watch that one. Now here we saw the scenario of addition in which I was taking different methods of the same name, but as it was not possible, so here what we are going to do, suppose I have taken this class addition and here I am going to take a method sum, and in this sum I am taking, let's say, a equals to none, so b equals to none, c equals to none. Suppose I have taken three variables and I have assigned it none. That means it is not having the default value itself. So here I have taken s equals to 0 and I am checking if a not equal to none and b not equal to none, okay, and c not equal to none. In that condition, s equals to a plus b plus c. So now what is happening actually, because all three are not equal to none, that means all three are having values, so we can just add them. Then I am having if, and we will check that a not equal to none and b not equal to none. So we can just take s equals to a plus b, and then else s equals to a, and then return s. Okay, so now what we are doing, if we are having all three variables are having value, so this addition will go on. If only two are having value, then this addition will go on. Else, if we are having only one value, so it cannot add, but yes, we will be working in the safer side. So here I am just returning s. Now I am just going to create the object of this addition class, and let's pass the marks. Suppose right now actually it's not going to be passed here, it's in the sum method, so we will be taking it there only. So s dot sum, and suppose I am having three subject marks, or you can say three numbers. Now let's check that what's happening. Let's print it also, or we can make it here only directly. So now as we are adding them, that is coming correct, we are getting the correct answer. So all the three numbers are getting added. Now if in any case I was having only two numbers, so then also the program is running properly and we are getting the correct output. You can see 79 is here according to the two numbers which we have provided. And in any case, I am having only one number, so obviously the addition will not go on, but yes, we will not even get any error. So this way I am just showing you this once again. So like we have just made this method overloading possible with the help of this program, where we are just adding up any number. Like 3 we have taken, we can just go for 4 also, it's up to you. But yes, in this program we have taken maximum 3, then 2 and 1. So this way, without creating multiple methods in the same class, we can implement this method overloading approach with some alternative methodology in Python, as it is not directly supported. So I hope this particular program is clear to everyone. If you are having any query related to this, or you are having any suggestions or your queries in your subject, you are studying something and you are unable to do any particular program or something, you can just ask it into the comment section. You can also join the WhatsApp group of FameWorld Educational Hub, because the link of the official WhatsApp group is given in the description. So please check the description section for that. You can also follow FameWorld Educational Hub on Instagram and Facebook, because the Instagram and Facebook account is also there. So the Facebook and Instagram handles you can check. You will be getting some interesting stuff, which is like here we are. I am with some videos, in this channel, so that though they are for the educational purpose, but yes, some more interesting stuff is available on the Facebook page and Instagram account, so you can just check that. It will be really helpful for you. I also want to tell you one interesting thing, that if you have not followed this FameWorld Educational Hub, you can just follow it. And here you can see one program is running here in this FameWorld Educational Hub, that you can just fill up this form, and this Google form which I have shared, the link which I have shared of the form. With the help of this form, you can just request for any personal tuitions if you want. So on any subject, if you are pursuing some inter 10th or BTech, BCA, MCA, you can just request for your subject. So you can get some private tuitions also on any subject which you want. So this link is available on the Instagram account of FameWorld Educational Hub, so you can just check it there. And you can directly communicate on the WhatsApp group of FameWorld Educational Hub, and the link is in the description. So stay tuned. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. See you in the next video.